Hi everyone, some of our subscriber or followers in YouTube asking what we use every time we take some video in Walk Street or in another country or in another place. We use DJI Pocket 2. It's so good and it's so useful. Even you go to another place, you can put in your small pocket only. But have problem only from the battery. So we do some solution. Leon bought some new battery and you can see in the video later. And this Pocket, DJI Pocket 2, we use it for 5 years already. And the first time we take some video is we use this one. But we use also a new DJI Pocket 3. So some of followers asking what's the difference of Pocket 2 and Pocket 3? Why we always use Pocket 2? Pocket 2 is the smallest and we can put in our pocket or in the bag, small bag. And you can use also in day and night. It's like universal. But Pocket 3, yes, it's so big, but it's so good also, but this is more comfortable to use whenever you're gonna take some video.